my name is Ms. Webster. I am the Makerspace teacher for this ASA. I am going to be sending you an email shortly that has in it the link to our virtual Makerspace. This is something that you could jump onto if you wanted to see what your students are doing over the course of the week, to get ideas if they're on the computer too much, or if they need something to do. There's a lot of resources in here. So on Mondays, I will go into our Google Meet. I will send you a link to our Google Meet and also this virtual Makerspace on Padlet. And I will work with the kids to come up with different ideas, different challenges throughout the week. So this Padlet is set up so that students can share their work if they want to. So you'll see on here that each day, each week, there will be different challenges. So the first Makerspace challenge is to create a little makerspace somewhere in your home, whether it's in a garbage bag, a reusable bag, a Tupperware container. Students are going to go around the house and collect some recycling items and create this space. So if we're talking in class and they want to design something, or we talk about designing something, they can go into their little basket, into their little bag, and they can have those resources. So that's the first task this week. If your child makes their little makerspace setup, you can share a picture on here to show what they have. This is my son Oliver who is on here, and this will be where he'll do some of his makerspace projects over the next couple weeks. So students can go in, they can comment on each other, they can like each other's pictures, and see what each other's makerspace look like. So I'm also going to put other challenges throughout the week and teach the students how to do that in our virtual class, but there'll be different options that they can pick from and then post their pictures on here. You just will download the images on your computer if you have time, and then add them with the little plus button on the bottom here. I will also post all of our challenges in this slideshow, so you can go through and see different challenges for your students throughout the next 3 weeks. I also posted here a really neat resource, something that I didn't make, but this is really neat. There's a choice board in here where students can do art, build, code, design. If you click on this and then click on any of the, I was doing the design one, any of the links within it, you can, there we go. Oh, that's not it. Maybe I clicked on the wrong thing. I was doing a building design one, but you can click in here and open this up. It's just a slide, and then the students could pick. So if they want extra things to do, there's a bunch in there as well. So I will provide a couple challenges each week. If the students are not able to get their pictures into this Padlet, we can always share in VC. So I will send you a link to our Google Meet. We're meeting at 4 o'clock on Mondays for the next 3 weeks, and students will have little various activities to do within that time. They might not be sitting at the computer the whole time, but they might be working on something and jumping back and forth, and I'll be there to help them and help support them with that. I will give you a code to get into this Padlet. Since we're sharing pictures and comments, I want to make sure that it's only the people in the AOSR community that are jumping on here. So I'll give you a code to jump into this Padlet, and I look forward to seeing everyone on Monday, tomorrow, and this is where you can find all of our virtual Makerspace projects over the next 3 weeks. Thanks so much. Bye.